My name is Iris and now I will show you how to properly fry dumplings. We will need frozen dumplings, butter and frying pan. And to them we will make the simplest sauce from sour cream and greens. Put the pan on the stove, spread the oil. Spread the dumplings. Fry on one side for 5 minutes. Close the lid. So, for 5 minutes, we fried the dumplings on medium heat. Turn them by hand each and fry in the same way for 3 to 5 minutes. I did not add salt here, as the minced meat inside the dumplings is quite salty. Cover with a lid. We fry them so that they become ruddy on all sides. Spread on a plate. Listen to what kind of crust they have turned out to be, as it should be. Now prepare a light sauce. Add a couple of spoons of sour cream. Cut the greens. Add the greens to the sour cream and mix well. Our dish is ready. Here are such wonderful ruddy fried dumplings we have turned out. It took us only a few minutes to prepare them, 10 to 12 minutes. Bon appétit!